Weird facts. Yawning. Contagion. Yawning can be contagious. When we see someone yawn, it often triggers a yawn in ourselves. The exact reason behind this contagious behavior is still unclear. 2. Ear muscles. Some individuals possess the ability to voluntarily control certain muscles in their ears, allowing them to move their ears without assistance from other facial muscles. This talent is relatively rare. 3. Body odor. The specific odor of body sweat is actually odorless. The distinct smell commonly associated with sweat occurs when the sweat interacts with bacteria on our skin.